So let me show you this new feature by adding 4 new primitives to the grid, starting with the cylinder. First thing to do, go to add mesh and select quad sphere. Tap on it again to enter the edit mode. The first thing you want to do is to duplicate the brush or tool that you want to modify. Change object type to polymesh. Now open the mesh provider and select cylinder. Select info and change the full name, display name and ID name, and tap on the icon to change it. Then select core tools and push. This way the brush is saved and can be accessed anytime. Now how to edit the grid. Tap and hold on any slot. Now you can rearrange the grid by drag and drop the tools anywhere you want. Go to Tool Gallery, scroll down to Mesh, and scroll down until you see the cylinder tool. Drag and drop the cylinder tool on any slot on the grid and save. Now let's make the cube primitive. And you might be thinking, we already have the cube available on the top menu. Why do we need another one on the grid? And the answer is, because the tools on the grid are more customizable. So to add the cube, select the quad sphere and duplicate it. Change the type to polymesh. And this time, no need to change the mesh because the quad sphere is actually a cube. All what we need to do is to delete all the subdivision levels to reveal its true identity. Change the name and add your custom icon and push to core tools. Now let's add the next primitive, the UV sphere. Not to be confused with the quad sphere. The UV sphere is the perfect base mesh to model 3D eyes. And not only that, but it's a great starting point for hard surface too. And we will get to that on later videos. Anyway, the process is the same. Select the quad sphere, duplicate it, change object type to polymesh, select mesh provider and change it to UV sphere. Change the names, icon, and push to core tools. What's next? The icosahedron. I've been using this primitive for years, and this is the first time I tried to spell it. Icosahedron. Is that even English? Anyway, as we did previously, select the quad sphere, duplicate it, change object type to polymesh, select mesh provider, and this time change it to icosahedron. Change the names, icon, and push to core tools. Now tap and hold on any slot on the grid, go to Tool Gallery, scroll down to Mesh, and scroll down until you see the new tools. Drag and drop them to any slot on the grid and save. Now anytime you open Uniform, you will have the new tools available on the custom grid.